Give me 2 minutes, and I will show how easy it is to replace string trimmer line. Locate 2 tabs. Press on them, and pull down the case. Remove spool from the case. There will always be illustrations of how the line should be wound. Cut a length of trimmer line. Put 2 ends together and fold it in half. Hook the line on this notch. And wind the line in the direction indicated by the arrows. Put the spool into the case and insert line ends through the slots. Now press the cap firmly until it clicks into place. And finally, make sure that everything is assembled correctly and the line only extends when the button is pressed. But wait! I bet you didn't know your trimmer head needed maintenance. Check this video.